Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be cooking okra soup. So this is ugu leaf and this is okra. As you can see, I've washed the ugu already and the okra, I've sliced it up. And this is the red oil. So this is Maggi for this soup, and this is crayfish, fresh pepper and the Maggi. So I blend everything together. This is my uziza leaf. And this is fish, stockfish and pomo. Fresh fish, stockfish and pomo. So guys, the water is on the fire and now I'm putting the red oil. So I'm going to let the water boil before putting the okra. So now I put the okra off camera. So I'm stirring it to mix up together. Okay, now it's boiling. So this is the result. Wow. So now it's time for me to put the fresh pepper, crayfish and the blended Maggi. So I also turn it. So next is my uziza leaf. So next is the ugu leaf. So guys, I'm putting the ugu first before my fish. But if you are using meat for this soup, you can go ahead and put meat first for your ugu. So the reason why I'm putting my ugu first for fish is because I don't want the fish to get scattered, as in to pieces. So now I'm putting them. So guys, I've put my little salt off camera. So I've come to the end of today's video. Please, if you find this video, or if you need more tips on video like this, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till next time, goodbye for now.